Hi, this is John, West Coast Connects. We reached out the other day, promised this free video, so here it is. I'm going to keep things really short and sweet. Just want to show you 3 tips that you could do to really maximize your traffic online. So with that, let me get started. So it looks like you're using the free website that your Google Business Profile that comes with your Google Business Profile. Um, and it works as kind of like a online business card, right? It's a place people can go, they can get a quote, they can call now. So it works when people are searching for your site and they can find you. The problem is that they're not really built to rank. They're just a free thing that Google gives you when you add a Google Business Profile. And so typically what you want to do is, when someone searches for something, say Memphis, roofing Memphis, Tennessee, right? You want Google to, find you and rank you because essentially, all Google's trying to do is put information in place for people that are doing searches and giving them the correct information and giving them a place to service their needs. And essentially, when someone's searching for something like Memphis roofing or roofing companies Memphis or roofers in Memphis, Tennessee, or whatever it may be, you want to be found for those things because essentially that's going to be traffic and money in the bank. So really important to really build up your site and get a site that you can potentially rank for and be shown by Google. And just to show you what that looks like, this is Excellent Roofing. They're one of the they're ranking pretty high for this particular keyword. And if you look at their site, one thing that stands out when maybe not this home page, but when you look through their entire site is that there's a lot of content here. And content's pretty important because that's how you're found for things, right? If I wanted to rank for, let's say, roofing Memphis, Tennessee, I would have that as a heading. I would have it within my site. I would even save images as that keyword. So, like this image right here, I would save it as, say, roofing Memphis, Tennessee, or something like that, to where Google, when they crawl your site, they see, like you see, Roof Repair League Company Memphis. So whoever did this company's work, they realized the importance of saving those images as keywords, excuse me, that Google can find and rank you for. So getting a website up and running, having a lot of content, having those buyer intent keywords, definitely important. And that would be my first tip, is just to get one up and running. My second tip would be to really give yourself as much opportunity to be seen as possible, to capture as much traffic as possible. So when someone searches for this keyword, for instance, there's many ways they can convert, right? They can convert local ads, the Google ads, the map pack, or the organics. And so really, for you to kind of maximize your traffic online, you really want to put yourself in a position to capture everybody. Everybody searches differently. Some people like these local ads. They convert at a high rate. Usually it's 40 to 60%, has been our data for in terms of like received calls. These Google ads are usually pretty good. They allow you a lot more control over the ads than, say, the local ads, but they don't convert at high a rate. Typically the click-through rate with these is 3 to 5%. They do get a lot of impressions, and you can add photos, and there's a lot of things that you can do here. So definitely a great tool there as well. And then these top 3 Google Business Profiles, they can pull up to 40% of the traffic. So with this particular keyword, you're looking at potentially 140 searches a month going to these top 3. So that's 140 searches you're missing out on just by not ranking. And how you really rank your Google Business Profile, you want to add pictures that are saved as keywords. You're just outside of Memphis, so you might not rank in Memphis. What you might want to do is get a separate Google Business Profile in Memphis and work on ranking that as well. But you want to add those photos, words, geotagged. So again, if I'm wanting to rank for Memphis, Tennessee, I would save a picture as that, and I would tag it for maybe a location somewhere right here, and Google will feel that you did a roof or a service in that location. You want to fill out your Google Business Profile in its entirety. Make sure it's filled out. Make sure it's accurate. You want to add your name, address, phone number on as many directories as possible. That's going to add validity and authenticity to your Google Business Profile. And adding reviews definitely helps as well. It's not necessarily a ranking factor, but a lot of people will click on more reviews than less. As many 5-star reviews as you can. And then ranking organically. So if you're running a local ad and you're here and you're here and you're here, you're going to maximize the traffic for any given keyword. Last but not least, when you do have a website up and running, you really want to build up the strength of it. So this is the strength of this excellent roofing. How you build the strength up is by adding referring domains that send links back to your site. And as you can see, they have a little over 350, and 289 of those are giving power to their site and strengthening up. And they're ranking for 1,200 keywords, and they're getting well over 400 clicks a month in traffic. So this is potentially what you want to do. You want to look at what your competition's doing, what's working for them, and you kind of want to emulate that. So I hope this video has been helpful. I hope it's been informative. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions, comments, concerns. We would love to get your feedback on this video. So with that, have a great day, and God bless.